Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign PDF document with digital signature. Alright guys, here I have opened my PDF application on my laptop and I have opened my file as well on my PDF. And if you want to sign your document with digital signature, the first thing you have to do is clicking on this option guys. And then you can click on add signature right here, and then you can draw your signature. But before you draw it, you have to make sure that you have clicked on this draw option, and then you can start drawing right here. So I'm drawing my signature. Again, after you're done drawing your signature, you can click on apply right here, and then you can place the signature to the part of the document that you want. And I'm going to place right here on my name. Okay, and then if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can click on this button. You can simply drag this button like this if you want to zoom in. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can sign PDF document with digital signature. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.